Me mama nyina akwaba bio ya sensia de di kan me do bi a wa subscribe to this channel ase ene wo we share your videos na nya break akra eja me comment no mani so bebre na ne de akonwa na wo se wuji o na afi bu abusuafo ni nyina no se ne original mekano no travi to TV no so ne fa recipe no enhihia so fi se recipe we eye simple na ne de me no baba eye condensed milk cake when kwalai wo fie ntimi srew excuse bi ani wo se wo ampo na wonya wo de se ne me kire mo na bomodi asa obeto bi wo shop no aye bi ama wo man a simple recipe nti ji akonya ne na me fa de me wo enkire ti de me wo ha se sunflower oil half a cup so ho na we self raising flour and also 1 full cup wo na cup no level so e ma ne mro so na we nkosua miensa abadwen se bro miensa no baba akumu na split nti for 3 eggs room temperature and now we use 1 teaspoon of nutmeg and also ni and now we 1 teaspoon of lemon juice a fresh one I'm using into lemon na we squeeze it to e bi na de aka and now we baking powder e be use no may use 1 level tablespoon into bomodian say be tablespoon and teaspoon and now we use vanilla extract into no may use 1 teaspoon and I'm the account and now we me homemade condensed milk na me may use half a cup into the only condensed milk awawa ya to be shop na susu half a cup account and when you simple cra and one send your mommy dey try simple na dey me wa ha say me mixing bowl be out so na me half a cup na nie we na 1 full cup na flour na me dey no na susu angwa no say be ya what the condensed milk ni gumu susu pe na ni nyina de nchi ama kama so ho nti susu condensed milk na sa susu anwa no nti say dia me na ni say me susu condensed milk na half a cup ti na wa hwie nti half a cup ni am se ne de na wa won't try say obey your dear but more dia milk asibia mesrew twebi mame na afa wa hwie gu ukonko imu nyina nti on dem kind wo hwie pe na ni nyina epia ba bo nti say dia me ane say na me de me nkosua me ensa na gu na so sunflower oil na no so hwie nti we simple recipe na so ekoyie kankasa nti no wa wo so pese di cake na so ebia butter na margarine enye healthy ma sunflower oil ekoyie omodi ase obede use no na condensed milk am fine no e ma mimi cake ni nye de me pese cake ni be doko ana de nti upe bebra betumi e de bia ka ho aha ne e friend say recipe na wan kase wa ye ode na e kama nti kane nyina anum nti kanum no na afi wafa vanilla extract no 1 teaspoon egu na afi o de lemon juice ni so aka na waka ni nyina afa wa hwese ne aye easy cake by equally delicious kasa so Nti ade me ani se mafa me baking powder no ho na wa level baking powder no aye no 1 tablespoon na de egu o safe ni na afi odo flour na nso aka bomodi asa wo ye cake bia wo be safe so esa no a e ma ne light and airy mouth kama afi no aka ni nyina afra nti e cake ni ewie yo na bomodi asa wo kan num no na wo pagya onsa se be ya emu be ye ha ama na eda ho na very moist so nti me fa me cake tin aba na ye wia no no akonya na nsori free so fa me gigi wani sa ye to aso nti se be a medri fa cake tin bi a wo pe me su be silicone loafy so and we say sunflower cooking spray nti wo butter between the na sangwa and also ebe for you and they say dem yen nan say me share me cake mixture no share ni If you want try sunflower oil idea cake, try mommy. The recipes in a bit disoba. For more than try with mommy. Say beya. The disoba the buyer naturally say why expect to. Original one the Peckham say word dog so. It's enough for the abobo say beya air bubbles be a woman a bequama. Into your cake mixture and na I come a simple. Na baby I made dream so me oven no for about 10 minutes. I did to 180. So I want to more than so be out there nisa. Obia oven ye different. So the 180 and no there. Now they about 170. Na more than so better say o de I skewer a shame more. I clear. Not just okay can I be me the push. Maybe you don't do much. And come baby, I family did you when yeah to us. I was for your cake in I come you. Na mama wanted what day a dear show of him. Now who's a sonny brown near? Over to the foil like a so say by your and she crying to dear me and say me dear no. Na a srono air brown no more swam intimidate foil necatasso, but men chahon into am de chum. Na cakey I come into my mama honjo kakra, na me betray you frame moon chill. A quay you, and to cover beer family you and no one any gigi coffee lemonade, a lemon is you. Na dem betwa cake amema kakra bi yet waso I wish I want your cake and say si wa me ho ado enti don't do you no be don't do tada na de na to ho wa hwe na cake umpe wo pede we no we wia fama nkola ni wonso kwa adwuma no opak lunch no apɛ kakra tua ho asi kyire ni wo de wo travel hu sɛ kama ti ma mefa knife na me ntwam kakra nkyɛ ne hu sɛ ne sunflower oil cake etie yeto aso ti abutua for ade ba kwa na mpɛsɛ me no kyane sɛ sa wo de foil ekata cake so a won sɛ ne esoro no wo bo hu ne sa ice amoa kakra na foil ni ntinti no yɛ sɛ ma ne ha so to de ma me ntwam nkyerɛ Wash it. I don't do. I send a cake. I have a very moist. So sanity. Into the but more than so but try mommy. Hey! A drew had a mumu be musmunti asi. Would your brandy and your duman? We are no cash over me. Nah. New And I was for once a recipe na simple. Na nedem DJ ye nyina ne say. Sa obeka ya me call Southend ne mama nko didi nkomo no. Didi nkomo bebre ye de nsem soma me. Na me home fa me nsem ni bu ha me ntumi fem ba nti afei na nsem na eba. Na ne ye mama ne bi se e ha omo ye. Ye mu bi wo ho a sabi ye mai ya wafuyi say ye ho ntare a ne ye hwa ase a obroni beka ne say underwear ananso say ne wo fom no enkoyi ye personal hygiene ye mu bi wo ha anya kranti misrew sa wote sa abomoden say wo bekeka neoma asie nene neoma bo fofofo say nye bi mpo na wa abomoden say obesi neoma no so ho na wadware na neoma nyina akeka asie ni say be ya ye fie ene ya wawe mu so ebekoyi original nkwa na beka we akireo e wo dokwan so na menim se efutuo bi a me de ba no se ye nyina yetie ni etu anamo a nyame be ma so bia ba efi. I love you, God bless. Na say subscribe to this channel but more than subscribe if you say simple recipes we say no bebre di so but I love you, God bless. Mwah.